Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering down and running quick checks so you don't chase the wrong problem. First, force restart the device and note whether lines persist immediately. This separates transient glitches from hardware. Once done, boot into safe mode or recovery to test software causes. If lines disappear, update or reset the OS. Next, make sure to inspect the charging port and SIM tray area for moisture or crushed pins, because a loose or damaged display connector often creates vertical artifacts. You'll now open the phone to access the display connections, work on a static-free surface, and use correct drivers. Carefully remove the rear panel and locate the display flex cable. Once exposed, disconnect then reseat it to fix intermittent contact. While unplugged, clean both connector pads with 90% plus isopropyl on a lint-free swab to remove corrosion or residue. Once reattached, power on briefly to test. If lines change or vanish, secure the connector and proceed to reassembly. You're at the decisive step. Confirm whether the screen itself is faulty by connecting a known good display or new assembly. This proves whether the panel or mainboard is at fault. If a replacement fixes lines, finish reassembly and torque screws correctly. If not available, you can temporarily test by gently warming and slightly flexing the panel to reveal delamination, but be careful. If lines persist after these checks, make sure to back up data and seek professional board-level repair. Otherwise, a full display replacement is usually required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.